Crafter's Companion has come out with a waterfall card making kit. You can see that right there. Now this is a kit that all of the materials are die cut, and they're going to go together to make that wonderful waterfall card making concept. And there are instructions, as you can see, so they're just right there. They're going to walk you through it, and you can see that the end result gives you a piece that you can pull, and each of the pieces, there are generally 4, are going to waterfall up or down with that mechanism. Now, in this particular kit, you're going to be able to make 24 different cards. You're going to get 6 designs, and I want to show you those so you can really see them up close and personal. So here is one, and these are printed on both sides because that's what you need. So part of it is going to create your card. This is the front of it. This is inside, or the other way. And then this piece becomes that waterfall that you need. So it's all scored and cut for you. These are the pieces that you can attach to it. And then here's extra art that you can use to decorate it. So that's one of the 6, 2 of the 6. Isn't this lovely? Really pretty. And here's the third one, pinks and purples, butterflies and presents and flowers. You can't go wrong with that. We have some pansies with cupcakes and butterflies. And we have just some beautiful floral. Everything has a floral look to it. Now this one is a bit more poppy, and you can see the colors just really do pop. Very, very nice. And that is all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I don't have a finished waterfall card to show you, but Lene will take care of that in the webisode. But I really wanted you to be able to see each of these. Now, each of the designs, you're going to get 4 of them so that you can make a total of 24 cards. So that makes it really nice. Your finished card is going to be 5.5 by 4.5. So that's going to be this finished card, so half of this. Envelopes are not included, but instructions are. So this will be very fun to make and very easy to make too.